Fold a piece of A4 paper in half. Increase it 2 centimetres on one side. Unfold it and sit your fondant covered cookie on top. Paint on some sugar glue or water onto the fondant and cover it completely, making sure that you have an even coat. Now sprinkle the glitter over the top of your whole cookie. It doesn't matter how much glitter gets onto the paper. You're going to use the folded edge of the paper to feed it back into your little glitter pot. Shake off the excess, and that is your star cookie complete. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Also follow us on Facebook. Happy decorating!